The second reason why I hesitated to do this is because the overwhelming amount of projects that you're going to be working on are going to be deep learning projects, right? We are living in a big enough, technology age where basically everything is measured out there and there's plenty of data for just about anything you need, right? I mean, it may not be easy to get, you may not know where to get it, but the data is out there, right? For just about anything you need. Like there's really not as many like small, there's not as many instances of projects where you're going to have very few ground truths to work from, right? Like a really small data set, right? So bootstrapping, I think, is still valuable for you to know on a general basis, but we're living in a deep learning era, right? Or I should say in a big data era, right? So yes, I think it's fun for us to go over this, but just keep in mind that, the explicit needs for this is going to be not nearly as big as you think. Okay? And what really drew me to this was this chart, and obviously the charts I'm giving credit to the authors for, but this chart here is straight from the book. And the takeaway that I want you to remember is that the difference in bootstrapping is that you are allowing samples that contain the same instance of the same data, right?